Hi, I'm Susan Kennard, and I have just run a 4 hour deep dive workshop. It was called The Spiritual Entrepreneur. And I just want to tell you about it very briefly because if you would like the replay, I want to make sure that you don't miss out. Okay, so make sure that you sign up to my newsletter so that when I send out the link for the replay, you can also have the benefit of this, right? So in the first hour, we worked with the nervous system and healing the survival mode to soul alignment. So, when we're in survival mode, there's no way that we can connect to our soul alignment. It's really, really hard to do that. So, we worked with healing that. We did healing sound. Everyone was able to find their own healing sound to heal the particular parts that came up. We also healed some witch wounds because if you imagine that, you've had lifetime after lifetime where you've been persecuted. So we did some work around that. In the second hour, we did inner child healing, so emotional reconnection. So we actually used one of my signature processes called the emotional wall. So I took everyone through that process. And then I worked individually quite a lot with people where we worked with emotions that came up with compassion. And that's something that is a really key piece of work when we're helping ourselves to heal those parts of us. Even drowning came up. So, like the feeling like I'm afraid I'm going to drown. Well, of course, if you feel you're going to drown, you're certainly not going to put yourself out there. And the fear of being chased, the fear of being, I've got a few notes here, the fear of being hunted was one of them as well, hunted down. The third hour was around frequency manifestation and energy alignment. So we worked with being a magnetic match for your highest timeline. So there's a particular process that the guides gave me where we walked along our highest timeline and cleared the blocks to being in our highest frequency. So I'm just looking down at my notes here. Oh yeah, and then there was a heart opening frequency process meditation to actually connect with all of those souls out in the world that need to feel your energy. So that was really cool. I love that. And in the fourth hour, we created our soul-led alignment. So basically, it was creating an offer that we want to share out in the world. And many people created the alignment to their book, workshops, groups, taking their business to the next level. And I was actually given information about my fourth book. So I've got two books. I've got a third one in the publishers coming out, a children's book, and I've got this one now, and it's all about healing the body. So it's been something that the guides have been nudging to me for quite a while, but they gave me, I can just show you here, look, some of my notes here, but literally like a breakdown of what I'm going to bring out in my book, in my next book. So I just wanted to share that with you because whenever I teach these things, it's always through an inspiration. So I act on my inspiration. And this is something that you can do when you get out of the way of your own stuff. And quite often, your own stuff is not even yours. We had someone on the call, there was something to do with their father's stuff. And of course, we did a particular process to access that. And if it's your father's stuff, you're not even going to know about it. You probably aren't going to know about it. And so these are the kind of things that come up for us, and our connection to source. Is it safe? Am I going to get killed for sharing my message with the world? So I just wanted to quickly share that with you. And if you want the replay of this, I'm sending out the replay later on today for everyone who was on the call. But if you want the replay, it's going to go out on my newsletter this week coming, and you just need to sign up to my newsletter. You get a free video course, but if you go to susankennard.co.uk, you sign up and then you're on my list, and then you can have the option of having the replay. and the whole 4 hours is 111, so £111. Okay, so the link will be there. You can split it into 4 hours if you want. If you want to start and do an hour one day, an hour another day, but you'd be surprised actually how quickly you can create your soul aligned offer. And there's an opportunity if you want to work with me, just go to my website. You can choose a session if you want to. I can work with you personally on spiritual branding. I can also work with you personally on any kind of blocks that you have. So have a look, see what you fancy, and I'd love to help you. Lots of love for now.